Hey everyone, this is not a regular musical cover video of me performing or anything, but it's a project video where I'll be demonstrating what I did in a project. Okay, here goes. So this is my hand, and it recognizes the gestures of my hand. It recognizes which fingers are flexed, and when I flex the index finger, C is played. When I flex the middle finger, the note D is played, and so on and so forth. And when I use both my hands, it goes like this. That's basically how it works, and let's get down to the deep functioning of this. In music, there are 8 notes in one scale. In the human hand, we are blessed with more than 8 fingers, so I decided to fit each note to each finger. As simple as that. And how I did that is through this library called MediaPipe, where it basically assigns 21 landmarks to the hand, and each landmark is named a digit or a number. 1, 2, 3, 4 for thumb finger, 5, 6, 7, 8 for index, 9, 10, 11, 12 for middle finger, and so on and so forth for all the fingers. And we need to play around with the tips of the fingers, which is 8, 12, 16, and 20, which are basically the tips of all the index, middle, ring, and pinky finger. So how this works is, if tip of index finger, which is 8, is lower than 7, play the note C. If tip of 12, which is the tip of the middle finger, is lower than 11, play the note D. If the tip of the ring finger, which is 16, is lower than 15, play the note E. And then it goes on for all the musical notes in both the hands. That is basically how it works. It's no big rocket science or anything, it's just simple as that. And let's go to the source code of this, which is, I used Python for this, and I will be providing the link in the description of the GitHub for the source code. It's uploaded here. I've uploaded all the audio files and also the .py file, the main functionality file, and the instructions so that it's helpful for you to execute this. Yeah. So do check it out and execute and have fun, guys. So you import all those files, you assign false to all the notes. Then finally, this is the main if condition. If landmark of 8 is lower than 7, we say play the note C. As simple as that. If landmark of 12 is lower than 11, here. Landmark of 12 is lower than landmark of 11, play the note D. As simple as that. And then we continue on with every single note, which is all the 8 notes. And then we add these code to all the basic functionalities of OpenCV and MediaPipe libraries. And that's basically it. And I'll be playing a special song for you guys in my project, using my project. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye. See ya. Looks beautiful when I say bye here, doesn't it?